Hello dear Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel and this is your March 2nd week's exclusive love reading. So if you are in a relationship, situationship or complicated marriage, this reading is for you. What you have to do, you have to stay put and see what and when and how your second week is going to be. If you're looking for a career plus love related monthly reading where your business and success investments are related, that's already uploaded on my channel. You can click on latest or videos and you can scroll down and look for your reading. So let's see how your second week is going to be. You have got the Seven of Moons and the Two of Suns, and you've also got the Two of Moons and the Three of Suns. Now I do see, Sagittarius, that you guys are getting into a lot of fights and arguments in your life, in your close relationships. It could be your spouse or partner, it could be your uh, in-laws, it could be your own family or friends. I do see these things are happening because you have huge expectations from the people around you. It could be that you had created an image of how a relationship or a partner is supposed to be thanks to the Bollywood movies or the Hollywood movies or the rom-com, but that is not the reality, right? In reality, there will be ups and downs. In reality, you will face problems, and that is okay. That's a part of relationship. But the more you expect from a situation, from people, the more likely you are to get disappointed in life. I also see that both of you are getting into arguments because of the compatibility issues. It seems to me that both of you are extremely strong headed, extremely bold, very similar personalities, and when it comes to a fight, neither of you want to back down, right? If that is how it continues, you're going to be continuing to increase the arguments and fights. So one of you have to back down, one of you have to compromise. If, if you do these two things, either you lower your expectations or you compromise a bit, your relationship is likely to become smoother. But if you're going to be head on, not compromising and expecting a lot from the other partner or the other person in your relationship, it's going to be a problem, like a lifelong problem for you guys. To all those who have been single for a very long time, I do see a new beginning happening for you. It could necessarily not mean that you straight away would jump into a committed relationship or marriage. I also see that it could start with a physical attraction as well, where you both are very, very attracted to each other by looks or by personality, right? And slowly it will develop into something more substantial. So it could be that as well. So yes, you can get into a committed relationship right away. You can get into a marriage or engagement right away, but also you can begin to develop feelings for someone slowly and gradually after, talking to them through dating apps also. So please give a chance because love is around the corner for you guys. And no matter what your situation is, this week looks good if you follow the instructions that I've given you. And if you would still like to book a reading, if you still have any questions, if you resonated with this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com or Instagram me at the Moksha Tarot. My charges are very cheap. My lowest charge starts at 170 rupees and my maximum charge is 1000 something. So it's not gonna make a hole in your pocket. That's kept so cheap because I want the most of you to, avail these services and get clarity in your life. Alright. So go ahead and please also follow me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot, because I post all my details over there regarding both my channels, English and Hindi. So take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.